Just as the officer was about to shut the door, Mubali asked if she could adjust her handcuffs, mentioning she had back problems.
Is there any way you could cuff me in the front? I have spinal problems and this really hurts.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I can do it. Just, can you turn? Can you turn?
It just hurts.
Let's see here. Yeah, hang on a second. There we go. Alright, just a second. Thanks. Alright.
295.
Oof.
875.
Alright. So I am going to...
Do you know anything about her condition? If she's okay?